This is the Nomatic watch I ordered. They were having a clearance sale, and it just arrived. They put it in an envelope, and I think I ordered an extra box, or excuse me, a strap, because I read people really liked how you could change the strap. So cool boxes. I always like their packaging. Here's how it arrived. And this is Nomatic, is the travel brand that makes my carry-on travel backpack. So bear with me while I try to open this with one hand. It's kind of like a, oh, there it is. And there's the watch. So I got the black on black. But I read the reviews. People really like the watch. So I normally wear my Fitbit, but I've been looking for a cool, thinner watch. That's what it looks like. There's the side profile. Let me give you a... And the reviews were really good from the travelers. Oh, so this is the black band. And then I think in here I got, because it wasn't too much to get an extra band, I think I got a brown band. There it is, yep, a brown band. So it took 2 hands to open it, but genuine leather. Feels nice, so I'm just going off the reviews. Other people said they really liked the watch, and you can change the band. And like I said, I kind of been looking for a cool new watch, and the minimalist size appealed to me. So there's a better view without the plastic on. It's just simple watch, and then got the date and side view. Oh, and it's got Nomatic inside the band. So we'll try it out, and I'll try to give you an update on the durability after a while. Oh, here, before I go, for reference, here's, I'll put my, there's my Fitbit. And so, you know, it's a nice size. Not tiny and not super thin either. But not super heavy as I feel it. So if you're interested in the Nomatic watch, or if you have one, let me know how you like it in the comments. Thanks for watching.